Do you work from home? It may look nice at first, but working from home can quickly become boring. Remembering the days when it was difficult to wake up in the morning, getting ready to go to work, or waking up 1 hour earlier from that precious morning sleep to avoid getting into the traffic. And of course, when you find out that your colleague has not prepared the document you have been waiting for a week, then working from home may seem very pleasant. Anyway, I think you can take some precautions to prevent working from home from becoming a nightmare. Step 1. Waking up in the morning. The biggest mistake made in general is to get out of that warm bed and sit right at the computer. If you do that, you're probably going to feel exhausted until the noon. But if you do your daily routines after waking up, that would make you be prepared for work psychologically. Also, do not forget to dress as if you're going to work. Please, at least don't sit right at the computer with your jammies. After all that preparation, take a spare time for yourself. Have a breakfast. Just in the meantime, you may want to watch the series or the news. Just move away from where you are. Step 2. The workspace. Make sure that the area where you will work at home is a separate room with daylight if possible. Also, make sure that your desk is far from where you used to relax and spend free time at home. A small table will be enough to avoid distractions. Anyway, if the seat is calling you, skip it once in a while. Jump on it, so don't push too hard. Step 3. Communication. Don't forget to contact people. Social communication supports creativity and developing new ideas. Also, don't forget to direct your phone in the office to your mobile phone. Talk to people. You could also choose video conferencing. Remember that video conferencing gives more effective results than face-to-face communication in some cases. Make at least one call by talking to your colleague, speaking about anything but work. So talk about nonsense.
The number you have dialed, the number you have received is not Please check the number for your dial.
Step 4. Working hours. Don't forget to set working hours and breaks like on a regular day. And remember that days with breaks are the most productive days. This way, you won't spend the whole day at the computer. You're at home. Let your brand new kitchen get old a little. Step 5. Know when to stop. When you work at home, after a while, your work life and your home life may interfere. Set an hour and stop working at that hour. Do some fun things after you stop working, if possible, by getting some fresh air. Don't just dream about your couch, it's already yours. Have a nice day.